Are your Qt framework application failing because of the qtgui4.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. I've linked the primary utility for qtgui4 in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the qtgui4, the Qt4 Graphical User Interface library. It provides unmanaged routines for rendering 2D graphics and UI widgets, facilitating the visual manifest for legacy application data links. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This error usually indicates that the Qt framework directory is damaged or incompletely installed. I recommend you download and reinstall the official version of Qt framework to replace specific required files, such as qtgui4.dll. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including qtgui4, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Using an incorrect or outdated version of qtgui4, DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing qtgui4 and system health. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored qtgui4 functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.